Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here and do a quick unboxing for March's Knitcrate, and this is my last one, so I wanted to show it to you guys. Seems like they're sprucing up the sock crate a little bit this month. So of course it comes with a booklet, and this month there's inspiration about the theme, and of course there's the patterns in there. So you have, I believe, yeah, this is one of the knitting patterns. I believe it's a set, so it's a knitting bonus is what they're calling it. Here's the crochet pattern. And this comes with the sock crate and the knit crate. It talks about the dyers and the designers. It has some podcast recommendations, which is a new one. I don't think I've seen that on here before. And lastly, the sock knitting pattern. So those are really fun this month. The yarn that came with this month is the Knitology by Knitcrate in the colorway Titmouse. I believe it's named after a kind of bird. It's a 75% merino wool, 15% silk, 10% cashmere. Fingering weight with 400 yards. So it has a lot of really pretty colors. These aren't colors that I would pair together, which I think I also read Janine from Knits and Knots Winnipeg say the same thing about this yarn, but it does seem to go, and I'm curious to see how it will knit up, especially in socks. It also came with a bag that says make something today, which is a pretty good size bag. Could probably use it as a sock bag or put all your notions in it, anything like that. So this came together. I believe that this is the sock crate because Knitcrate almost always comes with 2 skeins of yarn, but I might have to double check that. Nope, I'm wrong. That was the Knitcrate. It threw me for a loop because they usually come with 2 skeins of yarn, but this month it looks like it comes with a bag and a skein of yarn. So this is the Knitcrate, not the sock crate. The sock crate is the one that was shown in the booklet that they had knitted up for the pair of socks. And this is the Vitalana brand in the colorway Tangles, and the, what is that called? The base is called Shimmer. So it definitely has some stellina in it. It's 70% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 10% stellina, and a fingering weight with 399 yards. So you can kind of see it shimmering there. So I'm not a big fan of shimmers or stellina in my yarn. I don't wear things that sparkle, but I know a lot of people do. So that's kind of one of the things that is a part of the Knitcrate subscription, is that you don't get to choose the color. So most often you get one of a couple different colorways and you don't get to choose. Certain months I believe there's only like one color for, say, the sock crate, and you can go on and know that you're gonna get that, but most often it's kind of just a random surprise in your mailbox. So I do love this green. Green's my favorite color, but I will probably gift these to a friend of mine because of the sparkle, but it is really, really soft and squishy, so that will make a very good gift. So that is the end of my unboxing. If you're interested, there is a 20% coupon in the description, and this is the last video I'm gonna make with Knitcrate, so the codes will last forever if you're interested, but this is my last unboxing, but I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.